How long does it take for guided meditation to work? It's a question that many people ask when they start a meditation practice. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The length of time it takes for guided meditation to work depends on many factors, including your personal goals, your level of experience, and your commitment to the practice. The first thing to understand is that meditation is not a quick fix. It's a practice that requires patience, persistence, and consistency. You won't see immediate results after just one guided meditation session. Instead, meditation is a process that unfolds over time. The benefits of meditation come from repeated practice, not just from a single session. So, how long does it take for guided meditation to work? Well, it depends on your goals. If you're looking for immediate stress relief, you may feel a sense of calmness after just one session. But if you're looking to cultivate long-term benefits, like increased focus, emotional stability, and a deeper sense of self-awareness, you'll need to commit to a regular practice. The good news is that even a few minutes of meditation each day can have a profound impact on your life. In fact, studies have shown that just 10 minutes of daily meditation can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve overall well-being. So, let's try a guided meditation session right now. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a few seconds and then slowly exhale. Take a few more deep breaths and allow yourself to relax. As you settle into this peaceful state, focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then slowly leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Now imagine a beautiful golden light surrounding you. This light represents love, compassion, and kindness. Allow this light to permeate every cell in your body. Feel its warmth and energy flowing through you, healing any pain or discomfort. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? Perhaps a little more relaxed, a little more centered. This is just the beginning of what guided meditation can do for you. Remember, meditation is a journey. It's not about reaching a destination or achieving a specific outcome. It's about being present in the moment, connecting with your inner self, and cultivating a sense of inner peace and harmony. The more you practice, the more you'll discover the profound benefits of this ancient practice. So, how long does it take for guided meditation to work? It's up to you. The more you commit to the practice, the more you'll reap the rewards. Whether you have 5 minutes or an hour, make time for yourself every day to sit in stillness, breathe deeply, and connect with your inner self. The benefits are waiting for you.